Will you please stand for the pledge? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Bel Air Broadcast News starts now.
Welcome back to another episode of Go Bengal Broadcast. Have you missed me? I'm Chris Pavon. Next week is major for the Bengals. On September 17th is our first open house of the year. All students, parents, and guardians are invited. There will be local businesses in attendance and special treats for all the attendees. Make sure you are there for 6 p.m. See you on September 17th.
Some people say talk is cheap. Our new team at Bel Air wants you to talk and compete. Stop arguing with each other and put those debate skills to use. Bel Air's new speech and debate team will hold an informational this Thursday after school. Come out and learn more.
What's up, Bengals? I'm Mike Elwes, your drum major of the best band in the land, the Royal Wave. We would like to invite the whole entire Bengal family to the Bel Air Night at the main event. The event is on September 15th from 6 to 9 p.m. So come out, enjoy laser tag, bowling, games, and so much more.
What's up, y'all? If your passion is dance and you miss Royals tryouts, don't worry.
You can try out for the Royal Gyms. Tryouts on October 1st. If you need more information, you can see Miss Thomas in the theater.
As we told you yesterday, September is Suicide Prevention Month. Here with me now, I have Janet. Janet, what is our PSA for today?
¿Sabías que notar los síntomas de la depresión temprano y encontrar la opción de tratamiento adecuada para la depresión, el abuso de sustancia y otras enfermedades mentales pueden ayudar a la mayoría de las personas a volver a vivir mentalmente bien? Si usted o un amigo necesita hablar, puede llamar a la línea directa de crisis al 225-924-3900.
And that means, did you know that by noticing symptoms of depression early and finding the right treatment option for depression, substance abuse, or other mental illnesses can help most people return to live mentally well? If you or a friend need to talk, you may call the Crisis Hotline, 225-924-3900. We'll be right back.
Attention JRTC cadets. Practices are every Monday through Thursday at 2:40 p.m. Monday is the Raider Challenge and Color Guard team practice. Tuesday is the drill team practice. Wednesday and Thursday is the rifle team practice. Also, physical fitness training is every Friday, so be sure to bring your PT uniform.
Set your calendar. Prom is April 4th, 2020. We're trying to do this big, so if you have any ideas, see Colonel Boyd. Also, juniors, pay your dues.
Listen up, juniors. Your dues are currently due. They are $85. Please see Colonel Boyd to pay those as soon as possible. The deadline is January 31st, 2020.
Also, junior, the ASVAB test is October 7th. This is mandatory for all juniors. Get ready for the test by going to uniontestprep.com.
Welcome back. On Thursday, the Lady Bengal volleyball team heads to Bake to take on the Buffaloes. The game starts at 5. See you there. Also, Bengals, get ready for this Friday. We have a pep rally, and the senior class is challenging all the other classes at the pep rally. I guarantee we will be the hypest. There will also be surprise guests and more, so don't miss out as we get ready for Friday Night Lights when the football team plays. Which Panthers we playing? Oh yeah, the Glen Oak Panthers. So come out and watch the Bengals win. Alright guys, this has been it for the show. We'll see you on the next one.
To you we pledge our loyalty, to thee forever true. The years may pass and we may roam, the memories will not die. Our glory, fame, and honor be to you, our Bel Air High.
Go on, white and blue!